Dan is the king of high-ticket sales, and he is a masterful entrepreneur.
That's what I love about Dan, no BS.
Dan is an exceptional leader, teacher, business mentor, and friend.
Dan's a force of nature.
$12 million in my pocket is what I believe I would have above and beyond what I've made in the last 10 years alone, had I found Dan Lok sooner.
It's an interesting question I got today. How to close high-ticket sales using text, chat, and email. The answer is you don't. You don't close high-ticket sales using text messages and emails. I am shocked how often I see coaches and consultants and experts. They send people a payment link like, hey, buy my $10,000 high-ticket offer in a text message. That's not how you do it. The way that you do it is exactly the way that I do it, and the way I teach it is through a phone call. Because it's only through a telephone call you get to find out about their needs. You got to find out if it's actually a good fit. When people want to invest at a high level, they need to talk to somebody. They want to make sure that their investments are secure. They want to make sure that, hey, I'm talking to a real person. You're not just going to take my money and run. They want to know there's a company, there's a team behind this. So when you are communicating with someone, a prospect on social media, maybe DM, maybe text, maybe email, what you want them to do is to book a call with you. Send them a booking link. Hey, you know what? Those are good questions. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. Here's my booking link. And boom, you let them book a time with you. In this case, my team does all of that. You want to get people on the phone. To sell high ticket, you cannot hide behind your computers. You have to be in front of people. You have to connect with people. You have to meet people. Because people need to know who you are and how you do business. If you want to see our process, just send us a text, 833-432-6565. Send us a text and you will see we will not try to communicate with you through text. From the text, we will take you to a conversation. That's how it should be done. That's how we do it, and that's how we've sold over $100 million worth of high-ticket programs and courses and coaching. This works. Your team needs to get good on the phone. You need to get good on the phone. It is not an option. It is a necessity if you want to scale. So remember that. Until then, let's go. Let's go, high ticket.